will be talking about the 2021 Airliner Expedition camper and some upgrades and switch-outs that I feel make the experience much better. So stay tuned and let's get started. Yeah. So this is the stock shower. While there's nothing wrong with it, it is prone to vapor lock. A fellow A-liner, going nowhere fast, recommended this model as a suitable replacement. It has better features like a long coiled hose and guard model hose head. The shower is located under the main window on the utility side of the camper. On the 2021 Expedition model, the main cabinet is in the way. To access the shower assembly, we must go through the stovetop. The stovetop is secured by 2 screws. One here, and one here. Remove the screws, and then flip the stovetop towards the wall. And voila! We now have access to the assembly. Remember to drain and depressurize your lines. Now that the lines have been cleared, we can start to remove the old assembly. An important note, the water lines are above the electronics for the heater and microwave, so place a towel to catch any residual water from getting into the works. Out with the old. Goodbye. And in with the new. Make sure the hot and cold are in the correct position. Notice that new quick connect point. Nice! Next, reattach the hot and cold water lines to the proper locations. Don't over-tighten and remove your towels. Voila! It is installed. Ooh, nice and stretchy. Good reach.
Bonus content.
Now is a good time to inspect the screw holes. Since this hole is stripped out, repairs can be done with a toothpick and wood glue. These are handmade campers, and as such there are some quirks that need attention. Goodbye. See you next time.